Hi guys, this is Angie and I'm coming today to do a little tiny finish up of this project, and this project is for a hop, and the hop I'm involved in is with Michelle, and she is having a hop going on, and the hop is, let me get my notes here, let's hop to hashtag goal 1K. She is trying to get to 1K, and she put this hop on, and there's several other ladies involved in the hop, and all their links will be below. Each member or each participant that's doing the hop has 15 minutes, and then it'll jump to the next video and yada yada. The hop is on the, sorry about that, the hop is on the 26th of this month from 1 to 5 p.m. Eastern time. So please head over to Michelle's YouTube channel, and that is, her YouTube channel is Your Crafting Source. There's going to be lots of fun things she's going to be having gone. It will run, after 5, I believe, but all the participants joined in the hop will be from 1 to 5 Eastern time, and that's on June 26th, so that's in like 6 days or less than that now. So this is my little project using what I bought from Your Crafting Source. And so to get in on some of the prizes, you have to be a sub to her channel. You have to like and comment on her channel. You can go to her, let's see here, her website. Here, I'll just put this here. She has a website, www.yourcraftingsource.com, Your Crafting Source Facebook group, Your Crafting Source Instagram, and Your Crafting Source YouTube channel. So you must, to enter, you have to be subscribed to all these. It would be nice. And if you were, go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well, that would be awesome, because we're all here to support each other, especially to help Michelle get to 1K. She's so deserving. She has amazing products. I only have 15 minutes, so I kind of went and prepped all this stuff, and I'm just gonna hurry up and finish it. But I am gonna show you the products that I have purchased from Michelle. I just want to make sure I got everything that I was supposed to say. So it's let's hop to hashtag goal 1K. And like I said, join her email list on her website, go join her Facebook group, her Instagram, her YouTube. It'll be a lot of fun that day. I plan on being there as well to help support everybody, because it's what it's all about, is helping each other support one another in our small businesses. It keeps us doing what we love, and I couldn't be more appreciative of all my subs and how long I've been on here. I never thought I would be a YouTuber. I always watched YouTube. I was the watcher, never the one to do a video, and here I am doing videos. So it's been a joy. So I did start out when I came on YouTube. I am a mixed media artist. I have been an artist my entire life. Seriously, my entire life, since I could hold a paintbrush. I have dabbled in anything that I can get my hands into. Within, I guess that's what they call it, mixed media. It wasn't really a term when I was in high school. I just liked to do anything I could learn. I was fortunate to have very good mentors through my life. From just doing small wood projects, metalworking, metalsmithing, soldering, working with wax and caustics, photography. I do it all, you guys. I try to. I dabble and experiment. And so when I came on here, at that time, I was building little tiny houses, which I still do that. And then I got into making journals, and I came up with a way of my own style, I would say, a few years ago, of really putting mixed media onto covers and making them very textured. I'm a very textile person. I'm a textured person. I've always been that way since I was little. I always wanted to feel things and touch things and even smell it sometimes when it came to like rocks and grass and whatever, nature. And obviously I live out, or many of you know, I live out in the woods on a river in Montana, and so I'm very influenced. If you follow my Instagram, I post regularly there. I do reels, short videos of where I live. So if you'd head over there, that'd be awesome. Like, all my links will be below, along with everybody in the hop. So let's get going. So here are some of the products I've purchased. These are some stamps, and I will show you things that I did use in this project. So I used this little stamp right here, and this is just I didn't use any of this, but this is just another thing that she sold in her shop that I had bought. That's fun. And then I did use this in my project, as well as some of this. I tried to use use some of the things I purchased her and just stuck with that, and it, was fun. Some heavy black gesso, sprays. So I did use these three. I didn't use this one. I did not use this one either, but I did purchase it from her. I love this stuff. It's one of my favorites, you guys. As a mixed media artist, I used some soft gel in this project. Better close that. And then I also use a lot of these glazes, these Tim Holtz glazes, and she sells a lot of Tim Holtz stuff. She sells a lot of mixed media stuff. Like I said, if you head over to her website, you will find everything there. So those are the products. Like I said, she has amazing products, awesome mixed media stuff. She dabbles, I mean, she will even get it for you if you ask or inquire. She runs out. She'll try to get that for you later on. She is just amazing. I love your stuff, Michelle, and she has awesome prices too, by the way. So so head over there and check out her website, go order some stuff, and start playing. Okay, so I didn't make this. I'm just revamping this little thing I found, because this is supposed to be 15 minutes. There was no way I was going to get through this, because the way my head works is I never really know where I'm going. I have an idea and I see it, and I'll change it constantly, be changing it. I do paint papers, and so this is from my digital, one of my digitals that I have up in my Etsy shop. But when I do print a digital, I work on top of it, just for fun. So there is my digital underneath, and then I added some, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, you can see the shine there. Some of the glazes, I used the patina and the rusty, of course, rusty hinge, one of my favorites. Just a little bit of sprinkle on there, and then I went back over with some crackle paint, so it just kind of adds and raises that depth. And then it makes the digital look, sorry guys, the digital look more real, like it was done by hand. And that's what I really love about my digitals, that I kind of paint them and I scan them at a very, very high resolution, and you kind of get that, you get kind of all the layers in the digital, and then you can build upon them. So that's what I did on there. So these are going to go on top of here. This is just this little tiny book that I found. We'll get rid of the first page here. I'll get rid of the first page when I'm done. And then I thought this is a little fun little post-it note, and all I did is just refurbishing it. What I did is it was green, it was fluorescent green, so I used some of the heavy black gesso, and then after that was dried, I put, I don't know if you guys ever done this before, and they make some too. It's like a dusting, or it's like a dirt, if you see the vases that are black and then you see the chalk kind of finish on top of it. That's kind of what I did, and you're not really going to see it because I'm going to be covering it up, but I don't know, it was fun because you can kind of see it right here. And then I did spray some sealant on it so it doesn't rub off. And then after that I put some crackle glaze. Like I said, I'm all about texture and layers, and then I just was, like I said, this was an add-on at the last minute. And then this is the tie around that'll go around this little book, and I sprayed some black and then some of this distress stain to stain it, and that'll hold it together. And then I just did some waxed string and just wrapped it around there. I'll probably hang a key or something off of there, but there's just like some pages in there as well as the post-its. Once you're done with the post-its, you could take all these off, and then you could even take this off and put actual pages in there. You can revamp it again. And I thought this was just fun hanging down because I love textures and layers. And what I did is I made I took two of my loves. Like I said, I love making little tiny houses. This is really itty bitty. A lot of my friends own this little itty bitty house of mine. That is a real door, and this is really hand painted. And I'm sorry, you guys, I cannot do close-ups on my camera. So this is made out of wood, and then I painted all the little windows. And like I said, it is tiny. I'm sorry, you guys, you can't see it that well. And I made a little frame, and I just painted that. I used antiquing glaze and then some of the patina and rusty. I think I just used, actually, I did not. I used the weather wood on this one. Just a little bit of glaze, and then I made a little shadow box. This is going to go on here, and it's going to go on top. And then I'll glue a little tree in. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I have 3 minutes left. Are you kidding me? So, we're going to just put this on top in here. These are going to be like this. And then we're going to glue the little house in as well. The little tree. So, maybe I'll start with this first. I didn't realize how fast time was going. Like everybody said, it's going to go by real fast. And yeah, it did. It went by really fast. I didn't realize I talked that much. See if I can get this done in 3 minutes, you guys. This is going to kill me here. Okay, and then this is going to go on the back. Come on, glue. And this is also going to be part my giveaway that I'm doing here. So whoever gets this, congratulations. So let's see here, make sure I did that right. Yes, I did. Okay. So those are going to go on there. That's going to go on there like this. So anyways, while I'm doing this, you guys, just make sure you head over to Michele's channel. Make sure you join her hop. And I can't get this glue to come out. Oh my goodness. That is why I could not do this live, you guys. I mean, I had this idea and I didn't know where I was going from it. Like I said, it changes all the time. And then I have to cut this. Probably stick this in really quick. That in there. Okay. Then I'm just going to carefully put some glue on here. I'll probably have to speed up some of this if I don't make it. And then I'll also, of course, make it better. And this is just my little version of this. I feel like I should make a bigger version. I would have dug out the book. If I were to have done this as a regular size journal, I would have dug it out. All right, you guys, I think that's it. That's my 15 minutes. This will be glued on here, and I will kind of finish it up a little bit. But here you go, you guys. All right, go head over to the next hop. This one was my project. I hope everybody's having an awesome day, and thank you for participating and joining in. Bye-bye.